Do you remember the time that you were so excited that the school bell rang and it was time for you to go home? Guess what? The second best bell after the school bell is altcoins bell icon. So press the bell icon after you subscribe. Thank you. Let's get into the video. Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome back to TWT video update. Today, TWT actually caught us by surprise again, and it looks kind of really good right now. So it was this lower support that was in play, and it wasn't this other support that I thought was looking like this actually. So yep. Yesterday told you about two different things, that if it was better for the coin itself to come down and lose nearly 1.8044, which you actually never did. So there was a little bit of a chances for this coin, and I clearly told you that it's still hanging by a very weak thread, but this thread has come out to be a little bit strong now from that weak point. And I do have another entry. This is like for the millionth time I'm trying to trade it, but you can see that sort of like we have this inverse head and shoulder, and that inverse head and shoulder probably looks like something like this as well. You can say something like that. Just gonna put it out like that one. So it's very clear what you're doing with this inverse head and shoulder at the moment. So you do have the one touch right there, second touch right here, went to the downside, pop up like this, break out, make that bullish closing. And this is pretty much where I do have the entries, and with the stop loss down here at the right shoulder, because you do have this left shoulder, that's your head right there, and this is your right shoulder. Now taking out the lowest part of the right shoulder at 2.1685 invalidates the whole pattern. Do you understand? Now this could be an amazing scalping opportunity as well, because if you move from the top there to the bottom as well, then you're looking for this thing to actually move higher, and that could be up to 2.3, and that's going to be a price appreciation of nearly 4.2%. Scalping wise, amazing. Day trading wise, looks kind of amazing, but it doesn't really stop there, because if you do come up here, you're about to break another level as well. And if you break out of this, then it doesn't really stop there. You pump up there, break out of it, and then you're looking for 2.4. So considering the fact that you can do something like this, come down here, go up to 2.3, come down there, move up to 2.42. Looks pretty amazing to me. It's possible. It's really possible. It's hitting all the right notes, and then you have 9.6% move up. So let's see what happens. These are my two particular price prediction right now, and then we're going to see what happens. And by the way, signal is open. This trades whenever they happen. If you want to if you want to know when I'm trading, you can always join the signals. The link is in the description of the video. $10 for 1 month, by the way, and check out the links description, and it closes in the next like 7 days by the end of the month. So see you if someone is interested in that one. I'm gonna see you the next one. Allah Hafiz.